Hello, welcome to E! Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Fantasia endorses Jamaica. The American singer and actress has expressed her deep affection for the island. In an interview with Variety magazine late last year, she praised the Caribbean island's culture, including its cuisine, its nightlife, the music, and her interaction with locals.
Favorite place I've traveled? I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. Oh my God, the food in Jamaica. I'm definitely gaining a couple of pounds, but I love to eat. I love to go to the clubs and dance all night. I just love Jamaica.
In response, the Ministry of Tourism welcomed Fantasia's endorsement, stating that the island's charm and culture resonates with many tourists who visit for the unique blend of music, cuisine, and the vibrant nightlife. The megastar is well known in Jamaica for her soulful hits like I Believe, Loose to Win, Truth Is, and When I See You. Recording artist Jermaine Edwards launches school tour. The Beautiful Day artist earlier today launched his Control My Mind school tour at his alma mater, St. Catherine High School. He shared with E! Prime on the initiative.
The initiative behind Control My Mind is the option of positivity. You know, we have a lot of negatives in our music, and I realize that it's affecting the next generation so much. And even our music on the national stage is going down because it's just about slackness, it's about belittling women, you know, treating them like they're nobody, and also the drugs that is in the music that is making the minds of the guys not stable. So if we can do skills, controlling our mind with the skills that we do, with the decisions that we're making, and become better persons. So this is what this is all about.
He also shared that his hope for the tour is to leave a positive impact on the minds of teens.
When somebody would say, Jermaine Edwards came to my school and he said this, and because of this, this is the reason why I'm doing this. So I'm looking for future. You know, the Bible speaks about seed falling on bad grounds and good grounds, so we hope that some seed falls on some good grounds and that we'll see it grow in the future.
I appreciate I'm too high and mighty.
Edwards shared that it has always been his dream to have his own school tour, but funding delayed the process. The tour will see 13 stops at high schools across the island. Billie Eilish says working on the Barbie soundtrack, What Was I Made For, saved her life. During her acceptance speech at the 81st Golden Globe Awards on Sunday evening, the singer, who copped the award alongside her brother Phineas for Original Song, shared that writing the song played a pivotal moment in her life.
Exactly a year ago almost that we were shown the movie, and I was very, very miserable and depressed at the time. And writing that song kind of saved me a little bit.
The track, which is featured in the Barbie movie, gave Eilish her second Golden Globe Award. She picked up her first with the soundtrack No Time to Die in 2022 for the James Bond film, which boasts the same title. That's it for E! Prime this evening. I'm Daedrian. Thank you for watching.